Alright guys, it's unboxing time. You're already gonna see the title. So this is what I got. I got Wheelock Exceeder LHNRs, a 20 pack for about 40 bucks on eBay. So let's open it up. Now, if you're not aware of what the LHNR is, it is the remote horn of the LED Exceeder. Not the, well, it's the newer ones, but the LED group, yeah. I think. I'm gonna pause the video real quick to open this. Alright, you can already start to see all them. Wow. Dang. Yeah, it's a lot of Exceeders. Or horns. Pull one out. Alright, let's take a look at this one. It's the box it comes in. Pretty basic. Tells you its features, specifications, and there it is. So now let's open it. If any of you guys are interested, I'll probably link my eBay in the description, maybe. Just let me know if you want one. I'm trying to get rid of the Siemens panel too. Let me know if you want that. 400 bucks. Alright, so here's the manual. Maybe this is the manual. Yes, compatibility sheet. Here's our screws. And here is our alarm itself. So yeah, it looks pretty nice, pretty compact. That's a good thing. So screw terminals. This looks like the horn switch for your tones and volumes. Pretty simple. Yeah, I got 20 of these, so yeah, let me know if you want one. I do need money for these because I'm trying to save up for something. I won't make them expensive though, obviously. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya.